For one bold show of political power and loyalty, Edo State Governor Monday OKPEBHOLO don answer the state go deliver 2.5 million votes for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come 2027 presidential election. The governor talked this one for Okaijesan Town Hall for Irua Eastern Central Local Government Area, where them welcome thousands of people wey pot comot from PDP enter APC. Governor OKPEBHOLO yarn say the plenty people wey come join APC na clear sign say PDP don fail for im constituency and say this movement show say the people don accept the leadership direction and development plan wey dem dey run. E come still talk say APC open hand give anybody wey get correct mind to make Edo better and come also hail some big names wey return back to APC like former Edo APC Chemo, Aslem Ojezwa, members of the State Assembly, former local government Chemos dem and PDP leaders too. The governor come vow say dem go continue to serve the people with accountability and say come 2027, Edo go repay President Tinubu love with 2.5 million votes. According to Governor OKPEBHOLO, Edo na APC and APC na the engine wey dey drive the development under renewed hope agenda.
APC! People that have come to join us, in the past I have pursued them. On their own now, they are here. They have come to work with us. They have come to deliver Edo State for Asewaju come 2027. We are not joking here. We are going to give Asewaju 2.5 million votes in Edo State.
100%.
I want to thank the leader. Mako is here. The former state chairman of APC, Aslem Ojezwa Barrister, the House of Assembly member in my local government have also come to join us. So, the word of honor is now established in Eastern Central. Of honor, it is finished forever. By the grace of God, our people have chosen that what they want in Eastern Central is development. And how can we realize it without the agenda of Mr. President? Because Mr. President loves us. That is why you are seeing exactly what you are seeing today in Edo State. I want to tell our people, we will not disappoint you. Thank you very much. God bless all of you that have come to join us. Feel free. You are a member of this party.
On behalf of the party in our great local government, I, Rollins Ekelba, the chairman of the party, hereby produce and give you this bloom of progress. It's a bloom of prosperity, a bloom of long life. And from today, you have been officially received into the political party called APC in Eastern Central and by extension from in your local, in your ward. Thank you so much.
Still for the rally, APC leader for Edo Central, Major General Sesi Esekhaigbe retired, come assure the new members say them go get equal chance and full inclusion. He come encourage them say make them join the movement of peace and purpose.
Not too far ago, we made it very clear in Edo Central that with Akpakomiza, it's total victory all the way. Today, we are here to make a very big statement, starting with Eastern Central. Today signifies the end of PDP in Eastern Central. If you see the caliber of men and women that have joined us today, we do not need any other soothsayer to tell you that Akpakomiza is conquering everywhere. In APC, we are all equal founders and equal joiners. We do not discriminate those who are just coming in. I want to assure you in our senatorial district, you have joined us, the train of movement of peace. We are welcoming you with our open hands. Do not hold back. We will not treat you as strangers. We are all together for a common good. At the end of the day, very, very soon, this gathering will turn into a carnival towards the senatorial election where Eastern Central is going to produce 99.9%. You are welcome.
The massive campaign and support wey dey grow show say APC don dey get big boost for Edo State, and as 2027 don near, the party don dey prepare to play serious role for Presido Tinubu re-election matter. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.